Welcome, Infonomy is a Honor 50 Lite, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now to get started, you want to hold your power key, and when you see your boot options, select power off. When the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. And after a couple of seconds, you will see Huawei logo on the screen. Once you see it, like so, let go of the power key and keep holding a volume up. And once that logo disappears from the screen, we can also let go of the volume up. There we go. So let go of volume up and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up. It takes it like 10 seconds to turn on for some reason, so just like I said, give it a couple seconds. And there we go, it is now visible. So from here, you want to select Clear Data by simply tapping on it and then Wipe Cache Partition. This will instantly begin the process. As you can see, it only takes about like a second to 2 seconds, and from there, once it's finished, we can go back and select Restart, which will simply reboot the device and take us back to Android. And as you can see, there we are back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.